Hi friends, welcome back to Chat English Daily. In today's video, we will talk about a big problem many English learners face, overthinking. You know many words, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Why? Because your brain is too busy. You think too much about grammar, the right words, or what people will think. Don't worry. This video is your guide to speaking English freely, confidently, and naturally. This video is perfect for beginners, A1 and A2 level learners, and anyone who wants to stop being afraid and start talking.
Part 1. Why you feel nervous speaking English. Have you ever felt nervous or shy when you speak English? You are not alone. Many learners feel worried about grammar, afraid of saying the wrong word, nervous that people will laugh, embarrassed if someone doesn't understand. These feelings are normal. Even advanced learners sometimes feel the same. Imagine this. You go to a restaurant. The waiter says, "What would you like to drink?" You want to say, "I'd like a coffee, please." But in your head, you ask, "Is it I want or I'd like? Should I say please? What if I say something wrong?" While you're thinking, the waiter is waiting. You feel nervous. Maybe you just point at the menu. Later, you feel sad because you couldn't speak. This is what we call overthinking.
Part 2. What is overthinking? Overthinking means your brain is working too hard when you try to speak. You try to translate each word from your first language, choose the perfect grammar, avoid mistakes at all costs. But guess what? Overthinking makes you slow, quiet, and nervous. You know the words, you understand the questions, but your brain is too busy and stressed. The words stay inside. You feel stuck. Speaking English is not just about knowing grammar. It's about letting go of fear and trusting yourself. Part 3. Learn like a child. Think about how babies learn language. They don't study grammar books. They don't worry about mistakes. They just speak. A child might say, "I goed to the zoo." Adults don't laugh. They smile and help. Over time, the child says, "I went to the zoo." You can learn like this too. Speak. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Adults learn slower not because they are old, but because they are scared. Let go of that fear.
Part 4. Perfection is not the goal. Native speakers are not perfect. Yes, really. They also say, forget words, change sentences while speaking, use wrong grammar sometimes. Example. Yesterday, I went to the mall and then I forgot my keys. This is normal. It's real. It's not perfect, but it's English. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to be understood. Part 5. What happens when you try to speak perfect English? Example. Yesterday, I went to the store. I buy apples. Yes, the grammar is okay, but you sound like a robot. It feels cold. Now, listen to this. Yeah, I went to the store yesterday and bought some apples. This sentence has rhythm, flow, and confidence. The speaker is not stopping to think after every word. This is how you want to sound. Part 6. 3 traps to avoid. Let's talk about 3 big traps that stop learners from speaking freely. Trap 1. Translating in your head. Your brain builds a sentence in your language first. Then you try to turn it into English. This takes too much time, and it often sounds wrong. Tip. Think in English. Look at your room and say, "Blue cup, big window. I see a dog. The sun is hot." Trap 2. Grammar obsession. You pause to find the perfect grammar. You try to speak like a grammar book. Tip: use sentence starters like yesterday I, today I feel, I want to. You can finish the sentence without thinking too much. Trap 3. Fear of judgment. You think, they will laugh at my accent, or they will not understand me. But most people will not judge you. They will smile, help you, and be happy you are trying. Part 7. Real practice ideas that work. 1 minute talk. Set a timer for 1 minute. Choose a topic. My breakfast. My favorite color. My job. Speak without stopping. Describe what you see. While walking or sitting, say what you see. I see a red car. The man is walking. The dog is sleeping. Shadowing. Listen to short videos or podcasts. Pause. Repeat exactly what they say. Copy their tone and speed. 4. Daily speaking challenge. Morning. Say 3 things you will do today. Lunch. Talk about your food. Night. Describe your day in 3 sentences. 5. Filler phrases. Use phrases like, let me think. What I want to say is, you know. These help you when you need a second to think. 6. Record yourself. Record your voice every few days. Listen to your progress. Celebrate your growth. Part 8. A speaking habit you can start today. Start a new daily habit. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes. Example plan. Morning, 2 minutes. Describe what you see. Afternoon, 3 minutes. 1 minute talk about your lunch. Evening, 5 minutes. Shadowing with a video. That's it. Easy and powerful. Bonus game. Take 5 objects. Try to talk about each one for 20 seconds. Example. This is my pen. It is blue. I use it every day. My sister gave it to me. Part 9. Speak first, fix later. Speaking is like cooking. You need to try. You make mistakes. You learn from those mistakes. Don't wait to be fluent. Speaking makes you fluent. Remember, mistakes are good. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Say this to yourself. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to speak. Thank you for watching Chat English Daily. If you liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe for more easy English videos. Challenge for you. In the comments, tell us, what is your favorite thing to do on the weekend? Can you write 2 to 3 short sentences in English? Remember, you are doing great. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and see you in the next video.